Our QRD 13 kit is based on pry number 13. So we have 12 welds, dividers, rears, side pieces, back pieces, the horizontal dividers. The whole thing is designed so that all you have to do is get some glue, the right kind of course, and assemble the unit. No screwing required. Everything is dadoed out for you. The back and the top and the bottom will support the weld dividers and the horizontal dividers. So let's get started looking at how to put it all together. We're going to start with the back piece first, and we're going to place glue in each one of the welds and then position our dividers in there. So in the essence of saving time, we'll speed this process up. Carl actually doesn't go that fast, but we'll speed it up anyway. So here we're putting in the weld dividers, and they're designed to stand on their own. Gives you a little more flexibility if you're doing it yourself. However, the next step where we're putting on the top and the bottom that Carl's going up now would be a good idea to have somebody to help you and get your tape out, because you're going to have to secure the units, the top and the bottom pieces, with tape. So you can see one person, it's a little bit of a struggle, trying to get everything lined up. The glue doesn't dry real fast, but you want to keep moving and not get drawn back too far, so you get another person to help you. Put a piece of tape to hold it all together while the glue dries. Do the other section. Of course, this one will go a lot easier because it's already set in there for you. A little bit more tape. Now we're going to work with the sides. Same procedure. Put a little tape to hold it. Obviously, those of you that have clamps could use clamps. Those work just as good. There's the sides. So there's the finished unit without the horizontal weld divider. So each weld now is 12.5 inches deep. Now we have to break them up into quarter wavelength depths and get the diffusion sequence that we want out of our 13. So to do that, we're going to use supporting blocks. The blocks you cut to the right height so that when you put the horizontal piece in the well, it will be at that right height. Carl's working off the drawings that are provided with all the kits. So inserting the block into the well width. Usually we do on these 4-foot ones 3 blocks, 1 on each end and 1 in the middle. Simply lay the horizontal piece in there. Let it dry, of course, before you tilt it back up. We'll repeat the same procedure with all the other wells. We'll go to the other side and put those blocks in. I believe this first well is at a 1-inch depth. So that's the depth. We'll make that one. Go over to the other side, because we all know in quadratic diffusers the sequence repeats itself to the middle and then starts over and draws out. There you go. There's your 2 horizontal end wells completed. And you just simply repeat the process following your drawing for all the other well depths. You can see these are lower. The other side obviously would be the mirror image of that. So there's the completed unit with all the horizontal wells in there, all drying and gluing. So there's your kit. You can count the individual wells. Make sure you've got everything there. Probably should have done that in the beginning when we got all the pieces out of the kit, but they're there. These are the wells that are of different depths, and you can see. We'll count through them and follow your drawing, and just double check to make sure you've glued the blocks in the right well and you have the right height, and you should be real good to go. Put some clamps on it if you have them. If not, leave the tape on them. I'd let it sit for a good 6-8 hours before I'd move it. Might be a good idea to keep it over night too and not move it. Just try it and see. Don't get too excited, but there's all the pieces for you and the assembly process for the QRD 13 diffuser.